Good day and welcome to the channel. In this very short video, we are going to explain how to properly remove a WordPress site from your hosting service. So there are three things you want to do. One is the domain registration. The number two thing is the files for the domain. And the number three thing, which is the one most people forget about, is the database. We're going to show you how to do this on a company called InMotion Hosting, but it doesn't make any difference because we're going to be using cPanel, which is what almost everybody uses, from Bluehost to GoDaddy to network solutions to whatever. Let's go into cPanel, scroll down to MySQL databases. And in here you'll see I've got one that's called URTech7WPMCW. That's my celiac world, and that is a domain that I'm getting rid of. All right, so let's click delete. Get rid of my celiac world database. Bye. Gone. Now, I've clicked back a couple of times and I'm at the cPanel homepage. And now I will select domains. And there's my celiac world. I will go to manage. And here I will select remove domain. Yes, remove this domain. I don't want it anymore. And there it is. It's finished. Now, what I have to do is delete the file. So let's go back to the home page again by clicking the cPanel graphic in the top left. Yep. And then scrolling down to files and go to the file manager. We want to click on my celiac world and select delete at the top here. Bingo. And that is how you properly remove a WordPress site from your hosting provider, such as GoDaddy or Bluehost, or in this case, InMotion Hosting. Hey, if you found this video useful, please give us the big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, you can get a hold of us directly at www.urtech.ca. That's www.urtech.ca. Or you can leave a question or comment below, and if we don't get back to you, somebody else will, because everybody's got an opinion on YouTube. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye-bye.